guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is sponsored by Julia Hair. Today I'm going to be installing their most popular Bye Bye Knots wig. It's a 7x5 kinky curly invisible knot pre-cut lace glueless wig. Now that's a mouthful, but it's because it comes with all the work. So basically everything is done for you. If you want to see the installation process, keep on watching. Twin, where have you been? Alright, so here's the box. It comes with a detangling brush. That's so cool. Got a headband wig, of course, which is very essential. Wig cap, press on nails. It also comes with an extra headband if you need extra adjusting. I absolutely love the kinky curly style on wigs because it just resembles my natural hair texture the best. Yeah, this is gonna be fire. This is what the Bye Bye knots that are pre-bleached look like on the back of my hand. As you can see, it's giving scalp. Alright, so I'm braiding my hair down and I'm gonna pin it to the back of my head. Then I put on the wig cap and I take the Ruby Kiss cream foundation, dip my brush in there and apply it all over the wig cap. I did realize later on in the video that this was a bit too dark for my scalp shade. I should have went maybe to 14 or 13, but it's fine. And it matters more what shade of foundation you apply under the lace of the wig as opposed to the wig cap. So now I'm pinning the hair back with these crocodile clips so that I can apply the lace melt to the hairline. I'm using the Ebb and Wonder Lace Bond lace melt because it is an adhesive, but it's not a glue. Therefore, it has a lighter hold, but it's still something that the lace can grip to, if that makes sense. Then I'm just gonna put on my cute little Julia Hair headband so that I can lay it down, and I put the blow dryer setting on cool for like the first 2 minutes, and then I switched to warm. I'm also using a hot comb just so I can lay the roots real flat and get the front of my hair to do that under curl that I really like. I don't know what else it's called though. Once the lace is laid down, I go back in with the lace melt so that it can blend with the color of my forehead. And I just take the end of my rat tail comb to push it down a bit. And then I'm also going through my rat tail comb just to take out all the tiny hairs at the front that are stuck to the lace and get them out of there. Make sure you wipe your forehead with some alcohol on the parts that have a bit of residue, because I don't like that feeling and I don't like the look. It made my forehead look plastic and shiny. I just threw in this clip so you can see that I did add styling foam and combed out the hair a bit to make it bigger, but ignored the front of my head with the baby hairs that I tried to attempt to do the first time. It didn't work out, so I redid it. And I run my comb through it just so I can get it big. I like big hair, and I didn't want them super defined and curly, but you don't want to comb it out too much because you don't want a frizz ball, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so this is the finishing look. I decided to not really do baby hairs. Actually, I think I like it better without baby hairs personally. Also, I need to get better at doing baby hairs, so that's another reason why. I love the volume of this hair. It's so big, but it still has a lot of definition, and all I have to do is wet it with some mousse and some water to get those curls really defined again. But I really like this big hair look. It took me a couple tries, but I think I got it to where I like it. Let me give you a quick 360. Let me know what you guys think of this kinky curly unit. If you want to get your hands on this exact same unit, I will be linking everything in the description box down below. If you did enjoy watching this installation, give it a thumbs up and like the video. That's the exact same thing. Subscribe to the channel if you already have not, and click the bell notification to be notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!